Hi, let's install Pytorch on Windows. First, hit the Start button and type Anaconda to get the Anaconda prompt. Then type Conda environment list to check the existing environments. This shows that we only have the base environment right now. So let's create a new environment for Pytorch. So the command is conda create -n and then the environment name. Let's call it Pytorch environment and hit enter. And now that the environment has been created, it says here you need to activate the environment. So we type conda activate and then the environment name. Now that the environment has been activated, go back to the pytorch.org webpage, scroll down where it lists the installation commands. We want Windows, Conda, Python. If you have a GPU, you can use this command to do the CUDA installation. For now, I'll do the CPU based installation. So I copy this command and go back to the Anaconda prompt. Here, I paste that command, and now I'm in the Pytorch env environment, and then I hit enter. Now Conda downloads the required packages and does the installation. So let's come back when this is done. You do need to hit Y to accept the installation and proceed. So right now it's downloading the packages, and once all the packages are downloaded, it'll do the installation in the environment. So let's wait for the installation to complete. Okay, the installation is completed. So we can go in the Python environment, and just to check, we can import Torch. Okay, so that import went through fine. We can do torch dot underscore version, and that tells us that Torch version 2.5.0 has been installed. Hit exit to come back to the shell. Another useful package that is typically used in Python environments is matplotlib. So let's install that. So conda install matplotlib. This will again download the packages and do the install in this environment. So let's come back when this completes. Okay, you need to hit yes, Y for yes, and then it'll download the packages and do the installation. By the way, this does say that doing this matplotlib install will downgrade the NumPy and NumPy base packages from version 2.11 to 1.26.4. Okay, so matplotlib has been installed. Let's go back into the Python environment to confirm that everything is okay. So once again, we import Torch, do torch dot underscore version. So that seems to be okay. Also import matplotlib. That also imported fine. So far so good. So type exit, come back to the shell. I also like to install OpenCV, so let's do that. Hit Y for yes. Let it download the packages and complete the install. Okay, so once again, let's go back to Python. This time try import cv2. Alright, so OpenCV has been installed, and again we can do cv2 dot underscore underscore version, and cv2 OpenCV version 4.10 has been installed. Type exit to come back to the shell. You may also want to install pandas, so let's do matplotlib conda install pandas. This will give us support to read tabular data. Again, Y for yes. Alright, pandas has been installed. Go back to Python, import pandas as pd, pd dot underscore underscore version. So pandas version 222 has been installed. Exit to go back to shell. And you may also want to install scikit-learn. So conda install scikit-learn. This package provides a lot of machine learning capabilities. Alright, it's collecting the required data, figuring out what packages needs to be installed. Hit enter for yes. Alright, go back to Python. If you do import sklearn, alright, so scikit-learn version 151 has been installed. Okay, type exit to go back to shell.